Now tell me about your ride. Nice car. Wait, don't like stock headlights? No problem, I change for you. How about these A-style LED projectors? Try them on. There, your ride will never look the same with these on it. So who am I? Well, I'm not just one person. I'm a corporation that thrives for the best service in the auto parts industry. But if you need a name to Google me, you can type this.
Let's review the installation video for 2001 to 2005 MX5 Miata projector headlight. Please go over the tools that you'll be using for the installation. We will begin by removing any bolts or clips that may be under the bumper. Once again, remove any plastic clips that may be inside the fender well. In the video clip, we are unplugging the bumper light and disconnecting the fog light. Go ahead and repeat the process. To begin taking off the front bumper, you will need to remove a Phillips head screw that connects the fender to the front bumper. Then at the top, you will see 4 10mm bolts. Go ahead and remove those as well. Now you can gently remove the front bumper and set it aside so where it doesn't get damaged. Looking from the top view, you will see 2 10mm bolts that mount the headlight assembly. Go ahead and remove those bolts. Go ahead and remove any attached bulbs and also the plug harnesses. Then you're ready to slide out your stock headlight. Grab your new headlight and start plugging back in all the plugs and the harnesses. But before you mount the headlight assembly, double check that the lights are functioning properly. After you put back everything together and the lights are working properly, you're ready to hit the road.
Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.